The controversial resort located within the scenic Chocolate Hills protected area in Bohol province is temporarily closed until further notice. Captain's Peak Garden and Resort's announcement of its interim shutdown follows a public uproar questioning the operation of a commercial hideaway among the world-famous Chocolate Hills. This also comes after the Department of Environment and Natural Resources said it had already issued a temporary closure order on September 6, 2023, and a notice of violation on January 22, 2024 against the vacation place. The DENR said Captain's Peak Garden and Resort was operating without an environment compliance certificate. In 1997, then President Fidel Ramos issued Presidential Decree No. 1037 declaring the Chocolate Hills as a natural monument, ensuring its protection. Captain's Peak manager Julieta Sablas earlier said her brother bought the land in 2005 from a certain Amores family that owned the land prior to the 1997 proclamation. Sablas added they received approval from the DENR's Protected Area Management Board to build the resort in 2018. The DENR says it is already in talks with its regional operations team in Bohol regarding the matter. Meanwhile, Deputy Majority Leader for Communications Erwin Tulfo says the House of Representatives is set to conduct its own investigation on the resort's operation. According to Tulfo, he has already coordinated this with House Speaker Martin Romualdez.